What's up, guys? Welcome back to another exterior detail video. If you are new here, my name is Gabby, and today we are going to be detailing the exterior of this Tesla Model X. I'm gonna try and keep it short and sweet today, but I just had a couple things to mention before we get too deep into the video. The first thing is that I am going to no longer be posting like personal vlogs and stuff on this channel. I'm actually moving all of that over to my second channel. So I will go ahead and link that below. And I think you can do an iCard for channels as well. So I'll try and link it in there also. I have just posted a new video over there. It's kind of like a time capsule for my 30th birthday. So if you're interested in my personal life, that is where all of that content is going to be now, so go check that out. So as far as this detail goes, I finally got myself a foam cannon, and I also got myself the woolly mammoth drying towel. You guys totally convinced me that I needed to get one of those, so I did, and it's freaking amazing. But I did have a question about the foam cannon. I don't know if I'm not using it correctly, but when you see me use it, it seems like it's not as foamy as it should be, so I don't know if I diluted the soapy solution too much or if I'm not using the cannon right. If you guys have any suggestions about that, please let me know. Also, if you haven't already seen the interior detail for this car and you want to check it out, I will link that video in the iCard as well. I posted that one last week, so if you're interested, go check that out. It was covered in dog hair, so definitely a huge transformation on that one. Alrighty guys, that is all I have for you right now, so just enjoy this chill and relaxing exterior detail. Alrighty guys, that is all I have for you today. If you're curious about any of the products I used in the video, I always link those in the description, so go ahead and check that out. But we are coming to a close today. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. I have lots more detailing content coming your way. But that is all there is for today, so I will see you guys next time. Bye!